Welcome, dear children, to e-learning classes. Today we shall start lesson number 4, Exploring Poetry. Now the first activity, that is a poem about life. So the poetess M.S. Esther Samuel has made comparison of life with different things. In the first stanza, life is compared with a tree, which grows well if it gets love and care. In the second stanza, the poetess has compared life with a kite, which is ready to go up in the air. In the third stanza, life is compared with the music. Music always brings joy if the notes are played well. And in the fourth stanza, life is compared with a road that never runs straight. It bends and takes turns. It means that life never goes straight. It has to endure several struggles in its course. And finally, the poetess has left the verdict on an individual that life is what you make it. Now we shall read the poem. Life. What is life? Life is a tree that grows well with love and care. Life is a kite ready to fly in the air. Life is music if you know the notes to play. Life is a road with twists and turns on its way. What is life? Life is what you make it your way. Written by M.S. Esther Samuel. In short, there are difficulties in life, but we should stand firm and rooted to the ground like a tree. Means we should not forget our customs and our tradition. We should always welcome new thoughts like the tree welcomes new leaves. We should bend sometimes like the tree bends the branches. And the beauty of the tree is it keeps on growing. No matter what comes on your way, your life should keep on growing. So you should not end your life on your own. When the poet is saying our life is like a kite, it is sometimes up, sometimes down. But the best thing to learn from a kite is that it tries to go as high as possible and even fails when wind is not blowing, but it keeps on trying until it gets completely torn or damaged. Life is like a music, some high notes, some low notes, but always a beautiful song when we know the notes. Therefore, for life also, there is some musical notes. Life is a road with twists and turns and ups and downs. You meet strangers on this road. Few you remember for a lifetime. Few touch your heart and few go unseen. Cherish each bend on this road, as this travel is important than the destination. Live your dream and enjoy each moment. So, in our life, there are so many moments. You should live all those moments, not waste your time in crying. So, dear children, in this poem, we will also do the figure of speech. Now, I think you know the meaning of simile and metaphor. Now, what is the difference between simile and metaphor? Simile is a comparison of two different things using the word like or as. For example, on her first day of school, Irene was as cold as a cucumber. Whereas in metaphor, a comparison of two different things that does not use the word like or as. For example, Noah has a heart of lion. Now here, both are comparison, but in simile we use like or as. For example, he has a heart of stone, that is metaphor. His heart is as hard as stone, that is simile. Second, he is a couch potato, that is metaphor. He is like a couch potato, that is simile. In the poem, the metaphors are: life is a tree, life is a kite, life is music, life is a road. I hope, dear children, you have understood this poem. Thank you for watching the video.